our channel, stay tuned. So today we are going to discuss about the topic important questions in quadratic equation summa. Let's see. So first of all, I am going to discuss about one more question summa. Okay, na? One more questions. See, number 1. If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then find the nature of roots. Find the nature of roots when the b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Right? See, ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic equation only. Then discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. You know already the condition. Whenever the b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real. Okay, na? Then the roots are real and equal. Right? See, I am writing here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, the roots are real and equal. Real and equal. Right? So next, second question only. If ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation, then find the nature of roots when b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Okay, na? Right, let us see. You have a condition of same. B square minus 4ac greater than 0 means when the roots are distinct and real. Okay, right, let us simply write down b square minus 4ac greater than 0. The roots are real and distinct. Okay, na? Real and distinct. Okay, let's see. Check 2x square plus 4x plus 6 is a quadratic equation or not. Okay, na? Check 2x square plus 4x plus 6 is a quadratic equation or not. Okay, na? Right, see here. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 only. In this, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 6. Right? Therefore, 2x square plus 4x plus 6 is a quadratic equation. Right? This is the 1 mark question. Next, 2 marks question. See, find the value of k if 2 is a root of quadratic equation x square minus kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Right? This is a quadratic equation only. So in this 1 0 is given, that is 2. Okay, now in the replacement of x, you have to substitute the value 2 only. Okay, right? See, let us I am substituting x square minus kx plus 6 is equal to 0. In this I am substituting 2 in the place of x. Let's see, then 2 square minus k into 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, na? Then 2 square means 4 minus 2 into k, 2k plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, na? Let's see, 6 plus 4, 10 then minus 2k plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, na? Then minus 2k is equals to minus 10. This 10 transfers to RHS. Then minus minus gets cancels. Then k is equals to 10 by 2 only. Then 2 1s are 2 5s are Therefore, k is equals to 5. Right? This is the k value. 4 marks question summa. Right? If the sum of the squares of the consecutive positive even integers is 100, then find it. Okay na? Let's see the sum of the squares of the consecutive even positive integers amma. You know consecutive means line wise amma. For suppose I am taking one positive integer x, then consecutive means x plus 2 only. Why I am taking x plus 2 means here given even positive only. Even means 2 no, right? See, consecutive even integers is equal to, what is that amma? X and x plus 2, right? So here given sum of the squares only, sum of the squares of consecutive positive even integers is 100 only. Square plus x plus 2 whole square is equals to 100 amma. Means sum of the squares of the consecutive integers is equals to 100. Okay na? Right, let us expand it. X square plus, it is in the form of a plus b whole square amma. See here a means x, then b means 2 amma. Let's see a minus b whole square is equal to a square means x square plus b square means 2 square plus 2ab amma. 2 into a means x, b means 2 is equals to 100. Okay, let's see x square plus x square plus 2 square means 4 plus 2 2s are 4x only is equal to 100. Let's see x square plus x square 2x square plus 4 plus 4x. This 100 once LHS will become minus 100 is equal to 0. Okay na? Let's see 2x square plus 4x. 100 minus 4, 96 and here you have bigger number minus symbol, then minus 96 is equal to 0. Right? So from this I am taking common 2 and d. Let's see x square plus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0. Let us check it once. 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 to the 4x, 2 into 48, 96. Right? So take this equation, x square plus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0 only. Right? So now we have to find the factors of this given equation. Right? So first we have to multiply first and last terms. This is 48 into x square, 48x square. Okay now? Right? So then divide the factors in it. Okay now? I am taking 8 comma 6 only. Okay now? So 8 comma 6, then 8 6 is 48. Okay, then I am doing subtracting here. Then 8 minus 6 is 2 right? It is equal to middle value. Right? I write down plus 8 minus 6. Let's see x square plus 8x minus 6x minus 48 is equal to 0. Okay na? Right? These are one term and these are one term. So from this term taking common x, then x plus 8 minus, from this term common take x 6 and d, then x minus 8 is equal to 0. So x plus 8 is equal to 0. Right? So see, multiply here x into x square, x into 8x, 6 into x 6x, plus into minus minus 6 into the 48 Okay na? Let's see these two, right? One term x minus 6 and these two are single term x plus 8 is equal to 0. Right? At common 0, x minus 6 is equal to 0, then x plus 8 is equal to 0 and then x is equal to plus 6, and x is equal to minus 8 amma. So in this way to consider only positive value, that is 6 only, right? So then I am taking the consecutive integers what amma? X and x plus 2 no, then x means 6 amma, then 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, right? So this is the two consecutive even numbers. X means 6, then x plus 2 means 8, then squares means 6 square comma 8 square andi. 6 square means 36 and 8 square means 64 amma. Then sum means sum means 36 plus 64 is equal to how much amma? 100. And in this question also given the sum of the squares of the consecutive positive integers is also 100. Okay, here also got it 100 amma. Right, so this is the answer for this question. Right, see amma, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would be have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. See, so first of all, it is in the basis of distance and time model problem, right? So you have one formula based on that. Speed is equals to distance by time okay now, speed is equals to distance by time, right? Here how much distance is given total distance is 480 kilometers right? Okay now, I am taking time is x only. Okay now, I am taking time is x. Okay now, right? See next statement what given if the speed is 8 km per hour less, okay, then is equals to x minus 8. Okay now, right? This is time second time, right? Then speed is equals to distance by time means distance same 480 constant, but time is difference only, that is x minus 8. Okay now, these two total takes how much 3 hours. Okay now, these two distances covered in how much hours 3 hours, right? Let us write down. See, then 480 by x minus 8, okay now, minus 480 by x is equals to how many hours 3 hours, right? So this is the equation. Let us see. Then I am taking common here 480 right? 480 I am taking common here. Then what is that? 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3 okay now, let's see here LCM see 480 into LCM x minus 8 into x only. Okay now, x minus 8 into x is LCM. So see, x minus 8 gets cancels, remaining you have 1 into x okay now, right? Minus here x gets cancels, remaining you have x minus 8 into 1 is x minus 8 okay now, right, is equal to 300. Okay now, right? See here, then 480 into x minus plus into minus minus x, then minus into minus plus 8 only by x minus 8 into x is equal to 3. Okay now, let's see, plus minus gets cancels. Okay, plus x minus gets cancels. Then 480 into, okay now, what is remaining? 8 by, here multiply x into x, x square minus 8 into x, 8x, okay now, is equal to 3. Right? So now see here, these x square minus 8x dividing then transfers to RHS, it becomes multiply now. See then 480 into 8 is equal to some 3 into x square minus 8x Okay na, right? See 480 into 8 how much amma? See 800, 8 8 is 64, 6 remaining, then 8 4 32 plus 6 38 amma. Then 480 into 8 is equal to 3840 is equal to some 3 into x square, 3x square minus 3 8s are 24x amma. Right? So from this I am taking common 3 amma. Right? See, so I am rearranging before that. Then write down 3x square minus 24x is equal to 3840 amma. From this I am common 3 and then x square minus 8x, okay na, is equal to how much amma? 1280. See, let us take it. 3 into x square, 3x square, 3 8 is 24x, 3 into 1280 is 3840. Okay na? Let's see. Then x square minus 8x is equal to x square minus 8x is equal to 1280 amma. Okay na? Then write down x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. Okay, right? So this is an equation amma. So this is the quadratic equation. Now we have to find the roots of this equation. Then we have to find speed of the train amma. Right? Let us see what is the equation amma. X square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. Right? It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right? In this, a is equal to 1, right? B is equal to minus 8, C is equal to minus 1280. Okay, na? Right? It is also, you have the variable x amma, then you write down x is equal to, okay, na? Right? What is the formula? Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, na? Let's see. Minus b amma, what is b? Minus of minus 8 plus or minus under root of b square means minus 8 whole square minus of 4 into a means 1 amma, then c means minus 1280. Okay na? By 2a, a means 2 into 1 amma. Okay na? Right, let us see. Minus into minus plus 8 plus or minus under root of minus 8 whole square means 64 amma. Then minus into minus plus 4 1s are 4 and 4 into 1280 amma. Now 4, see, I am doing here. So 4 into 0 0, then 4 8s are 32, 3 remaining. Then 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11. Okay na? Then 1 remaining. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5 amma. Okay na? Then 5 1 2 0 by 2 and okay na? Let's see. Then 8 plus or minus under root of 5120 plus 64. How much amma? 5184. Okay na? By 2. Okay na? 5184 by 2. Right? See, 8 plus or minus the root of 5184 by 2 amma. Okay na? Now we have to find the factors of this amma, 5184. Okay na? Right? See, I am find out in here 5184 by using LCM method. You have to find it amma. See, I am taking first 2 and then 2 2s are 4. Okay na? 1 remaining. 2 5s are 10. Okay na? Right? Next 1 remaining. 2 9s are 18 and 2 2s are 4. Okay na? Let's see next. Again I am taking 2. 2 1s are 2. Next 2 2s are 4. 1 remaining. 2 9s are 18. Again 1 remaining. And 2 6 are 12 amma. Okay na? And next again I am taking 2. Then 2 6 are 12. Okay na? Then 2 4s are 8. 1 remaining. Then 2 8s are 16 only. Next again I am taking 2. Then 2 3s are 6. Okay na? 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8 amma. Next again I am taking 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 remaining. 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4. Okay. And next again I am taking 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2 amma. Okay na? Right? Next I am taking 3 now. Then 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. I am taking again 3, 3 9 is 27, I am taking again 3, 3 3 is 9, right? So this is the LCM. Now we are to finding the square roots. Okay now, so square root means take 1 out of 2. Let's see, these two are same, take 1, 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 these two are same, take 1 amma. Okay na? Let's see, then we have to multiply these things, we will get the perfect square amma. Let's see, then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72 amma. Right? Then the root of 5184 is equal to how much amma? 72. See, 8 plus or minus root 5184 value how much amma? 72 by 2 amma. Now we have to write down separately, plus 1 time, minus 1 time. See, 8 plus 72 by 2, comma, 8 minus 72 by 2 amma. Okay, and 8 plus 72 is 80 by 2, comma, this is 72 minus 8 means minus 64 by 2. Okay na? Right, see, then cancel it, 2 1s are 2 4s are 0, 40, then 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. Here 40 comma minus 32. Right, what consider only positive value, don't consider negative amma. And what is positive? X is equal to 40 amma. Right? So the time is 40, then the time is less than 8 hours means, then you write down x minus 8 is equal to x means 40 amma, and 40 minus 8 is equals to 32. Okay na? Right? So 40 comma 32 is the speed of the train amma. 42 km and 30 km is the speed of the train, kilometer per hour. Okay na? Right? So this is the answer amma. Now I will wind up this session. For more updates, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you again.